materials in a specific configuration, and the JT visualization all within Active Workspace in the Teamcenter web client. So what we can do here with the Teamcenter Frontline Spatial integration to launch Frontline Spatial Editor directly out of Teamcenter. It opens up the Frontline Spatial Editor desktop application by TeamViewer, hooks itself in directly into the Teamcenter SOA API, processes the entire bill of materials in a specific configuration as well as the JTs natively. And you as an author can then say, great, I got everything that I need from Teamcenter directly in my authoring environment. I can now go ahead and use the workflow content creator to create the most complex augmented reality workflow scenarios, enrich my content with text, with graphics coming out of Teamcenter, but also with 3D animations, right? So you see here, step 3 is the disassembly of the dynamics motion control units. Yeah, we got text, cool. We got graphics as well, but we could also go ahead and say, let's make this a little bit more engaging. Let's have 3D animation sequences with the built-in keyframe editor. Now, in order to make this reproducible and scalable, you need to be able to propagate changes from a Teamcenter PLM platform into your existing AR content. So what we have also achieved here, and this is the author essentially taking a rep and doing an initial publish of the augmented reality workflow that has been created. The next step is then something changes in the body, and vision, maybe even geometry. We have the ability to fetch all of those changes connected live to the Teamcenter PLM backbone to draw it into the augmented reality content that is already existing. And it is even so powerful that animation sequences that you have generated for a particular part are preserved. Essentially just the 3D part or the geometry that has changed is swept out in already existing animations in order to reduce the manual labor to propagate changes for authors to an absolute bare minimum. And from there, it is again publishing to Frontline Command Center, and last but not least, leaving the perspective of the author, going over to the technician that is actually using it, here a service technician that has direct access to the physical quality test machine. They can leverage the Frontline Spatial Workplace mobile application. He has an iPad version, superimpose the content directly onto the physical asset. All of the content, 3D as well as 2D, is anchored into the machine.